Looking to replace your car's door glass or tailgate glass, but not sure how to match the right color? You're going to need one key detail most people overlook: the tint code. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to find it, what it means, and how to use it to make sure your replacement glass is the perfect match, especially if you're buying from a used parts supplier. Every piece of automotive glass has tiny markings printed or etched on it. These are called glass stamps, and they include important info like the manufacturer, safety standard, and the part we are looking for, the tint code. This is usually found in one of the bottom corners of the window. Here's what to look for: the brand name, like Nippon, AGC, Securit, etc., the E-mark or dot code, and somewhere nearby, a small code like M231, 43R, M4Q8, or even words like tinted, green, or clear. This is what we are looking for. For example, green tinted glass may have a code like M4, M2H3, or M3108. Dark privacy tint may have a code like M2L3, M3Q8, or M263. If your door glass is shattered and you can't check the tint code, you will be able to find the matching tint code on the opposite door. Don't try and match with the window next to it, as often cars will have a privacy tint of the rear windows and not the front. For tailgate glass, the tint code is found the same way, etched onto the bottom corner of the rear window. Again, you're looking for small print in the glass. Even if the glass looks similar, the tint can vary a lot. So if you're replacing just one panel, like a rear door or hatch, mismatched tint can really stand out. When buying used or aftermarket glass, include a photo of the glass stamp in your inquiry, especially the tint code, so the supplier can match it exactly. And that's it. Check the corner of your door or tailgate glass, read the code, and match it with your supplier before ordering. Saves time, saves hassle, and gives your car a cleaner finish. If you're in New Zealand, check out Auckland Japanese Car Parts Center for used parts at fair prices.